Yo, good morning guys, Clevo King here. I'm out at Joe's Diner, breakfast meet. Should be good, we'll have a bit of a look at the cars. Something important I wanted to say about this video guys is if you have the chance to come along to one of these awesome car meets here at Joe's, make sure you check out the cafe. We've got good people, good coffee, good food. That's what brings in the good cars guys. It's the most important part of coming to this show. Help the cafe, get in there, give them a bit of business, try some of their grub. It's good stuff guys. This is one of the best cappuccinos I've had in ages. Alright, let's get around, check out the show. Alrighty, what have we got over here? The old Cortina GD. This thing's beautiful. Tried to get out a bit earlier guys. I wanted to catch some of the old beasts pulling up. Get a little bit of exhaust noise going on, make the video a bit more interesting for you all. Sounds like a supercharged Charlie. Something different. This thing's very nice guys. Nice out the front. Have a bit of a peek inside. Real nice, bit of patina. This thing's sick. Can't get over how good this cappuccino is, eh? Make a killer cappuccino here. A bit of a pan back. Got a few cars showing up. A few guys walking around. Just saw this Mustang pull up before while I was getting ready to shoot my intro. This thing looks killer. Beautiful. Gotta love the old fastbacks. Spider 351 badge on the guard, that's interesting. Pretty cool. A bit unusual. Nice paint build on this too, look at the metallic on it. Oh, it's got such a nice feel. Venetian's pretty classy. He's quite lucky too, he's got no one parked beside him. I like that. Oh man, check this out guys, this has got to be my pick of the show today. XWGD here, absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing, it is so mint. I've been just absolutely losing myself having a look over this thing for the last hour or two. Wow, it's got all of the paint markings over here. Look at the wiper motor. Let's have a good look at this wiring, since we'll be doing a bit of a wiring for our buddy customer, good mate of ours, Ian, soon. So it comes around the front here to your battery straps. Starter relay over there. 16M steering box. Look at the big 16 on the top there, guys. Beautiful. Automatic XWGD. Heat riser over here to the exhaust, guys.
I got a dry reach as I'm eating it because I'm eating it.
Auto light dizzy, all the correct ends. This thing is just amazing, guys. I'm not hanging it. Motorcraft filter, original
yogurt and salad, that's all I eat.
Look at the belt.
No soft drink?
Everything is just perfect on this, I cannot believe it. Wow. Absolutely unbelievable, guys. This is sick. I was having a bit of a peek underneath the car before. Everything's been colour coded and restored, like absolutely perfect. Check out the diff. Have a bit of a look at this rear end, guys. Everything's been coloured up, stamped up, springed up. It's got all of the right stripes on the diff. Quality control stamps. 9-inch diff with the wedges, which is very unusual being an automatic car. Look at this original exhaust hanger bracket. Original exhaust tips, the level of restoration on this XW is absolutely next level. All completely genuine parts used. I was told the guy spent over $200,000 getting this car restored in Melbourne at Grand Tourer. There is nothing that isn't original on this car. Every part on this car is genuine, guys. I don't know if you can hear my voice, I'm kind of nervous just being around it. It is absolutely beautiful. Been pointing a few things out to the owner of the car. He's loving it. Oh, look at the steering wheel, guys. Wow. Look at the dash. Cannot believe it. Basket weave seats. Wow. The roof lining. Oh, guys, this is what it's all about, eh? Cars like this, absolutely amazing. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Wow. Have a bit of a look at this quickly while we're here and we've got the camera on, guys. See the GDs have a slightly different radiator cutout on the support panel to the corner here, so I'll get a little bit of footage of this as a reference. Down the side here, halfway where that radiator strap goes, there's a little bit of a notch. Over on this side here, let's have a bit of a look how they've done that corner there, guys. They've left it to there, just nice, beautiful. Wow. Check this beast out, guys. It's got the big globes on it. Looks sick. Real nice XY. Oh, see the number plate raw? I'd say it's raw orange.
Yeah.
Not surfer orange. Yeah. It's a bit brighter, isn't it? Yeah. Wow, guys, there's some nice ones out today. Look at this XB over here. Wow. Got my buddy's XW here. We'll have to have a look at that. We'll kick that on soon. Wow, this is very nice. XB polar white. Something about a polar white car, eh? Absolutely love it. Absolutely love the polar white. So nice. Check this out, guys. Another beautiful XW over here. Probably haven't told you guys, but my favourite car ever is the XW. I've had a handful of them. I've had a handful of XYs. The XY is probably the most iconic Ford muscle car in Australia, but I believe that the XW front end is the toughest front end of any Australian Ford. Look at it. It's so menacing with the big full-length grille and with the horizontal grille lines instead of vertical. It's just amazing, guys, when it's combined with the front air dam and the driving lights. Wow, absolute beauty. Gold reflective stripes there. Wow, absolutely mint, guys. Let's have a bit of a peek inside this beast. Oh, she's a top loader. She's running a 4-speed Cogger, saddle interior. Nice panel van over here. Let's have a bit of a suss. What are we looking at here, guys? XB panel van, pretty cool. Got the GS style bonnet, nice honeycomb, driving light grille. I love the barn doors, they're sick. Oh wow, something about an XWE. Wow, look at it. He's so tidy. Wow. Have a bit of a peek in the interior and we'll cruise off and check out some more beauties. Sounds sick. Gotta love the Clevos, eh? This is sick. Nice to meet you, mate. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh wow. 351 Windsor 4V, something different for the channel guys. Always recording those Clevos, this is beautiful. The 351 Windsor's very popular engine in the US, but it didn't really hit off down here. It's only in very few models. Wow. Got Frank's XW over here, this thing's mean. Yo, this thing is fun. One of my favourite camshaft grinds in here guys. I'm not going to say what it is. Some of my close mates would know. I've had really good success with this camshaft years gone by. Made awesome rear wheel horsepower with 4V Clevo. Bit of a crowd around the car straight away. Let's see. Always a good day when you get to bump into some mates, have a bit of a chit chat. Thanks for watching guys, we'll end the video there. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Come out next Saturday, it's gonna be sick. Woo!